Welcome back to another forecast on GU. All right, and before I get into it, I'd like to give this disclaimer that trading in any financial market involves risk, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Okay, the information provided here, right, is for general informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice or recommendations, right? Please again, try to do your own research, try to have your own analysis done, right? And try to develop your own edge for these markets because they are high risk, right? And you should carefully consider, right, your financial situation, right, and consult a qualified professional before making any investment decisions. Okay, please do not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. Okay, so find a qualified financial advisor, right, and then get advice. Learn how to trade the financial market, right, before you actually take a trade. In addition to the disclaimer, I want to state that trading is a whole world on its own and it can really be stressful. So it's very important that your psychology is sharp, right? Nothing is messing with your psychology. There are no external factors. So you'd have to make sure that you are completely zen. I use zen, Anyways, yes, you have to make sure that you're completely peaceful, you're completely zen before you even look at a chart. If you suspect for any reason that your psychology may have been affected one way or the other, my advice to you will be to actually stay away from the markets. I'm going to be sharing with you the ups, the downs, the good times, the not so good times, not just the profits. I've been sharing with you the stop loss hits and all of that. It goes without saying, you won't always make profits from the markets. That is fine. You always live to trade another day and hope for the best. So if you are hitting break-evens or stop losses, that is fine. You just need to work a little bit more to building your edge and to making sure that your psychology is also intact. All that being said, right, we'll now go into it and then see what is next for GU. Okay, so taking into account what happened last week, if we should look at the previous analysis over here. So over here, I did have my trend being bearish, right, on the daily time frame. That's because we have not yet taken out this high, right? But instead, we seem to be coming lower to this area here, right? So for the daily time frame, this is still the target, this low over here, okay? And price is almost taking out this low. So this is the immediate target. So my expectation for price is, probably retrace a little bit, right, before dropping to take out this low, okay? So let's just label that expectation, right? So this is my expectation for price, right? Retrace a little bit and take out the low. Let's change the text over here and give it target. Okay, so now we move on to the 4-hour time frame. In fact, let us add the path to here in the path drawing here, lock it and then hide it. All right, on the 4-hour time frame, what do we see? We see that price took out this high, okay? That was the target. That was for last week, push higher and then drop. Now, price has taken out this low and and we seem to be mitigating this area here. Okay, price, because price is still bearish on a daily time frame, right? My 4-hour time frame still remains bearish. That is my bias for the 4-hour time frame. And I think the analysis also stays pretty much the same, kind of like similar to the daily time frame. So probably I'd be expecting price to have a little bit of retracement before taking out this low. So this is just an addition to the previous analysis we had. Okay, so this is, let's just add the path drawing to the 4 TF analysis, lock it, and then hide it. Okay, nothing has really changed here. All right, so we're just looking. Over here, price may not reach up to this area here before taking out this low. That is, if they want to take out the low, they might just have a little retracement and then take it out, or just take it out completely before we may see what a deeper retracement into here, right? But this is all just speculative, right? So this is our target for both the daily and then the 4 RTF. Okay, so when we move on to the 15-minute time frame, what do we have here? Let's take a zoomed out view. So looking over here, we are reacting from this block over here, this block over here. Price dropped in, mitigated, and we are slowing down. Okay, so let's zoom in, have a zoomed in view. Okay, you see the way price is price has, created this high and then this low, and price is just staying in there in between, right? We would have to wait to see what price gives us if price immediately takes out this low or pushes higher, right, to test this area here. I don't think price will reach up to here if their intention is to take out this low, right? Anyways, but that is just my thought. I have this last high and then this last low. I think price will just continue lower if they don't actually reach up, right? Taking out all this liquidity, right? Probably just here before dropping. But we wait to see what price does, right? If price should reach up into this area, we look for a trade down. If price should also just go straight away, taking out the target, right, we will look for a trade also around that area. But whatever the case may be, this is the analysis for GU for this coming week. We still expect some bearishness, right? Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. We still expect more bearishness, at least till this low is taken out, at least. If we should move to the daily time frame, we'll be looking for this low also to be taken out. But if price should take out this low, we might see a deeper retracement before we get price moving down again. Except the other scenario happens where price takes this out, just pulls back a little bit and continues lower, taking this out. Any of them can happen. And then also a third scenario. And the third scenario is where price begins to move higher, right? But from all indications and from what I've seen, the structural lows being taken out and all of that, price is still bearish. Until proven otherwise, I will still be looking for shorts. Okay, so that's it for the forecast, and I wish you all the best.